Welcome to our video, where we will be taking a closer look at some impressive police gadgets. These high-tech tools are designed to assist law enforcement agencies in stopping high-speed chases, intercepting criminals, and making our streets safer. In this video, we'll be showcasing 10 of the most advanced police gadgets, including some that can absolutely stop cars. So sit back and enjoy as we explore the top 10 police gadgets in action. Mobile spikes. Sometimes a high-speed chase can't be avoided, but with the mobile spike system, the odds are definitely in favor of the police. This compact device allows officers to take the fight to the criminals. With just one car and one cop, the system is ingeniously simple. Drive up beside the offender's vehicle and shoot a spike strip under their wheels. The tires deflate within a minute, rendering the suspect immobile. The spike system has already proven its effectiveness in real chases, reaching speeds of up to 161 kilometers per hour. Its easy bumper mounting system makes it perfect for even older police cars, proving that the best solutions are often the simplest. The Grappler police bumper. This portable system from the US attaches to the front bumper of a police car, allowing officers to stop fleeing suspects within seconds. With this system, officers can regain control of the situation without putting other drivers at risk. The two-step process involves entangling the wheels to limit spinning, then using the police car's brakes to force the fleeing vehicle to a stop. It's the perfect solution for high-speed chases and dangerous pursuits. The Optima mobile hydraulic road blocker. This innovative trailer system provides efficient and reliable security. With its mobility and ease of transport, it can be quickly deployed to any location. The sturdy barrier can be raised up to 1 meter in just a few seconds, and an improved version can do it even faster. The system is designed to work with programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, and can be automated for ease of use. Remote control is also included for added convenience, and in case of an emergency, the barrier can be operated manually. It's even environmentally friendly, with the option of installing solar panels. The Surface Guard. The road barrier you never knew you needed until now. Introducing a product that can stop an intruder's car in its tracks, protecting vital government facilities or crowded areas from collision. This modular system can be installed in just 40 minutes on any stretch of road. It has passed rigorous crash tests, stopping vehicles weighing 5,500 pounds at 30 miles per hour and vehicles over 15,000 pounds at 20 miles per hour. Thorn Barriers. Imagine having an anti-tank obstacle to protect your area from any motorized intruder, be it a car or a tank. The Czech Hedgehog-inspired design boasts of being able to stop any vehicle that comes its way. With two interlocking X-shaped elements, it's easy to install and can range from 40 to 378 kilograms in weight. These heavy-duty obstacles come in heights of 0.7 to 1.1 meters, making them popular among clients in Europe and the Middle East. The only concern is the potential patent issue that may arise if they are marked elsewhere. Nevertheless, it's a formidable solution for safeguarding any property or territory. The MVB-3X. A potential solution to prevent vehicular attacks in crowded places is a mobile unit that may look fragile but can stop heavy and large vehicles weighing up to 16,500 pounds. It weighs only 53 pounds and is equipped with a wheel, allowing for easy assembly and installation by a single person without the need for tools. Multiple units can be joined together to create a continuous barrier and secure larger areas. If used in the right place at the right time, it could potentially save countless lives and prevent catastrophic events. The CrookHook. This ingenious solution makes apprehending suspects easier than ever. By simply driving up to a suspicious vehicle and hooking it with the specially designed horns, police officers can immobilize the car without the need for a dangerous high-speed chase. Not only is it effective for law enforcement, but the Army also uses it to evacuate stuck vehicles. Plus, it's a powerful tool in the fight against car theft, which saw almost 1 million incidents in 2021 alone. With the added benefit of increasing the likelihood of recovering a stolen vehicle, this simple yet effective system is a game changer in the field of law enforcement. The Tire Killer. Meet the Tire Killer, a device that resembles a razor and punctures tires to stop cars driving in the wrong direction. The angled spikes make it safe for cars driving in the right direction. This device is becoming increasingly popular in parking lots and other high-security areas. It's simple yet effective, providing an immediate solution to the problem of reckless drivers. The Barnacle. The Barnacle is a new solution for punishing those who park their cars illegally. This windshield parking boot is an effective and easy-to-use method for enforcing parking laws. Once installed, the driver must pay a fine and receive a code to remove the device. If they attempt to drive away without paying or remove the device with force, an alarm sounds and GPS coordinates are sent to the police. Once removed, the device cannot be left on the street and must be taken to a designated location. The Barnacle has been tested in various U.S. cities and costs around $5,000 per unit. It's a convenient and reliable solution to ensure proper parking enforcement. The Prospike. Several years ago, a Dutch company presented a modern version of the traditional spike strip. This compact and lightweight equipment, weighing just 53 pounds, can be quickly installed by 1 or 2 people, making it highly mobile. Its impressive speed of deployment enables it to stop the offender's car and fold up the spikes before police cars behind it pass. The added advantage is that the spike strip can be remotely controlled from a distance of up to 330 feet, ensuring safety during a high-speed chase. Its convenience and efficiency make it an essential tool for law enforcement agencies worldwide. We hope you enjoyed the thrilling ride as we showcased some of the most impressive technologies that law enforcement agencies around the world use to keep our streets safe. Which gadget did you find the most impressive? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest tech and innovation news. Thanks for watching.